How to SSH from one ec2 instance to another. I have created two ec2 instances on AWS. I created a key pair for each of them. I downloaded the .pem private keys and converted them into .ppk format. I can connect to each of my ec2 instances using PuTTY and their .ppk private key. But how do I SSH from one of my ec2 instance to the other? I can ping the public DNS of either of them from the other. But if I try SSH from one to the other, I get permission denied, public key.
Method 1. Use the same keys on the servers. Convert the keys to OpenSH format and upload the private keys to the servers. When you SSH to the destination host, specify the private key file. Method 2. Create new keys. On each server run, hit enter, enter, enter. You'll have two files. On server A, cat and copy to clipboard the public key. SSH into server B, and append the contents of that to the its authorized_keys file. Now SSH from server A.
There's a third and IMHO the best solution, so-called SSH agent forwarding. On local machine, configure /SSH/config by adding following section. I assume on server A and B you have your local /SSH/ID_RSA.pub added to servers /SSH/authorized_keys. While working on server A, your keys can be used in further SSH communication, e.g. connecting to other server with SSH client, in this case to server B. SCP secure copy. Git. You can pull /push using your local identity to your remote Git repositories, etc. To check to see if this works, connect to server A. Check if there is socket connection for key exchange by detecting SSH_auth_sock environment var. Notes. You need to have SSH agent running, Linux, PS, egrep, SSH agent. For Windows, check PuTTY's utilities Pagin and Plink. Reference. This URL. Troubleshooting SSH. This URL.
A new AWS solution for the problem. EC2 Instance Connect. Here's a blog post for the same. AWS blog. Please note, the SSH public keys are only available for one-time use for 60 seconds in the instance metadata. To connect to the instance successfully, you must connect using SSH within this time window. Because the keys expire, there is no need to track or manage these keys directly as you did previously.